If you're someone who struggles with poses, I highly suggest using Pinterest. I feel like a lot of artists will tell you to go here, but honestly, it's the best. You find people like cosplaying and stuff with all kinds of accessories and outfits. Like this one has like a wheelchair and there's a crazy cool hair, and you'll get screenshots from like music videos, maybe even. Like you get tons of poses for whatever you want, and whatever you click on, there will always be, sometimes they'll show you the exact things they're wearing, and there'll always be very similar results on the image you click on. So like if we go back to this one and then we scroll down, we find that she does other poses with this gun, and then you'll find more like cute girls with guns. So Pinterest is probably the best place for reference photos, but if you can't find the thing you want, I suggest going to Just Sketch Me, which is a 3D modeler kind of thing. When you click open in the web app, it will bring you to this. It'll tell you what each thing does, and to pose it is really easy. You just click on the dot and there'll be rotations depending on what direction you want it to go, and you can do this for just about any body part. So if you're really struggling with finding the exact pose you want, this is a free site to use, and you can even control your light source. You can move it to match whatever you're doing. So if you're having trouble figuring out lighting, the general lighting of your piece, this is a great way to do that too. I hope this helped.